Today we're traveling from the Banff-Canmore area along Highway 93 to Radium Hot Springs in British Columbia. If you want to see more about Banff, Canmore or Lake Louise, you will find the link to my previous video below. You will notice that the slopes on the left or right are brown. This is because of a forest fire in 2003 that destroyed about 170 square kilometers or 65.5 square miles. It's not easily visible in the video, but there is actually a lot of new growth in between the burnt down trees. We're now driving into Radium Hot Springs. The water temperature in the hot springs at the time of our visit was around 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit. The reflection you see in the distance is Windermere Lake, where we're going next. It's only a 16-kilometer or 10-mile drive from Radium Hot Springs. At the north end of Windermere Lake is the town of Invermere. That concludes the short video. I hope you enjoyed it.